gentlemen, Binibini Antipolo 2013.
Settle down, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be announcing again the second and third set of awards. Kanina may mga nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit daw po natigil yung swimwear. Ito po ang dahilan. Mayroon po sinusunod na dress code ang SM City Masina. Okay? And the reason why it was cut, because some of our candidates did not follow that dress code. Okay? And we cannot negate. Okay. We have to respect the decision of the SM management. I know all of you will understand that. Okay? So, I'll be giving now the award for the Miss Photogenic. Okay? So, sino sa inyo, sa tingin nyo, ang pinakamaganda? Photogenic face. Photogenic, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Di ko kayo marinig sino ang photogenic. Ito na. Ang magpapalit ng profile picture in her Facebook account is Beauty candidate number. I cannot say the number. We have beauty candidate number 12. And she is Freya May Mel Romania. Okay. Photogenic. So may I call on stage Mr. Nigel Tan to announce the winner of the Miss Teleperformance. Yung mananalo kaya na Miss Teleperformance ay may passage na sa Teleperformance itself. Pwede na siya magiging conference agent. Let's ask Mr. Nigel Tan. Our Miss Teleperformance personality is given to the candidate who should be who embodies the teleperformance motto of transforming passion into excellence. And the one candidate who stood out for us is none other than candidate number 5. She is beauty candidate number 5, Rian De La Cruz. Miss Teleperformance. Thank you very much, Mr. Nigel Tan. Okay. The next award is the Miss Infinity. Okay? At mga mahilig It's a winter melon and other milk tea. And to announce the winner, may we call on stage Miss Karen Bondo, Infinity, Antipolo, and Masinag. Okay?
For Miss Infinity, our winner is candidate number 5.
And she is Rian de la Cruz once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Miss Karen Bondo. And congratulations, candidate number 5, Miss Rian de la Cruz. Ayan. Miss Teleperformance and Miss Infinity. Next, I have with me the envelope for the best in long gown. Okay. Sino po ang pinakamagaling magdala ng long gown? Sino po? Antipoleños, magsalita kayo. Ayan. Eto na. Step forward, beauty candidate number 5. Rian de la Cruz.
To present the award for Best in Long Gown is Miss Jacqueline Salvador Aco.
Okay. Miss Jacqueline Ako.